Hello. Tony Wynn here with Tony's AutoSalon Dallas. And we have a Tesla CyberTruck. And we installed XPEL XR Plus on the windows. And man, this is crazy how big this windshield is. But you know, 25-year experience is pretty easy, to be honest with you. It's not that hard. I can honestly do this windshield with my eyes closed. Here's the side windows. Tesla Cybertruck, man. When we were younger, we used to always see, you know, like futuristic things like cars and flying stuff and all kind of stuff. And now this is a pretty futuristic truck. A cool feature of this truck is if you hit this button, the back rolls up. There is a back window back here, and it rolls back down. And this is the Foundation series. What do you guys think about the Cybertruck? Some people love it, some people hate it. I love it. I think it's really cool. I think it's cool when you wrap them. And you want to protect this aluminum right here. You know, it's this aluminum right here. It's not even supposed to touch it. It leaves fingerprints and stuff. That's why so many people get these trucks wrapped. Oh look, we have a visitor. You know it's good luck when a grasshopper, dang, this is a crazy looking grasshopper. You know, when a grasshopper goes on your car, it's supposed to be good luck. I don't know how true that is, but you know, man, this is live action. This grasshopper wanted to be in the video. We out here at Tony's AutoSalon Dallas, and we got a visitor. Yeah, it's a crazy looking grasshopper, man. I've never seen one like this before. Oh, there it goes. It flies. Anyways, come see Tony's AutoSalon Dallas today to get your Cybertruck wrapped or tinted. I think Tesla's done a great job with, you know, all these new cars, and the new Model 3s. Pretty cool, very sleek. And the Model Y is coming out with a Juniper. Can't wait to see that. But anyways, oh, and of course the roof is all glass. Anyways, Tony Wynn, Tony's AutoSalon Dallas. Paint protection film, ceramic coating, window tint, hail repair, paint repair, dent repair, you name it, we do it. Dash cams, alarms. We just love cars, period. So come visit us today. Tony's AutoSalon Dallas. We're in Plano, Texas. You could reach us on any social media platform pretty much. We also have a YouTube channel. But anyways, just wanted to share with you guys today this Cybertruck that's you know, it's really nice, really cool. Anyways, thank you for watching.